Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing tiny Lord Mahavishnu Valampuri Sangu. It is from Indian Ocean. Actually, it is from the snail. It is from the snail conch. It is tiny and beautiful. Tiny and beautiful. Such a small size is very rare to see. It is for Goddess Mahalakshmi from Indian Ocean. Tiny Goddess Mahalakshmi Valampuri conch. It is actually snail conch from Indian Ocean. Beautiful conch. See how beautiful it is. Such a small size is very rare to find. I will show the close-up view of this. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, now I'm showing the close-up view. See how beautiful it is. It is tiny Goddess Mahalakshmi conch from Indian Ocean. It is a snail conch. It is very smallest conch. Tiny, it is snail conch. Beautiful conch. You can keep this in your locker, or in your puja room. You will get full blessing of Goddess Mahalakshmi. Full blessing of Goddess Mahalakshmi. Such a wonderful, amazing conch it is. And beautiful, tiny Goddess Mahalakshmi Valampuri conch from Indian Ocean. It is actually snail. It is a snail conch. Small size, beautiful size. How beautiful it is. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, back side also very beautiful. Beautiful, like chakra, like the Mahalakshmi chakra, Mahalakshmi chakra. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.